So I was reading today about Apple Care Plus, their terms and conditions. So it's interesting that the replacement unit that you get has old Apple parts, not new. So and also the serial number, the model number that starts with M when you buy a new phone from a retail store, uh, this will have a number N. N stands for replacement in their terms. So, accidental damage. Accidental damage is also it will repair or replace with device made up of used Apple parts. So, if there is an accidental damage, if anything happens to your phone, they will they will use used Apple parts to build up your phone and give you that, and automatically the resale value of that phone would be less because Cashify will do all the diggings regarding that. And now let's come to what Apple will not cover. First of all, cosmetic damage, the dents on your phone, the scratches on your display, that is not covered. If the device is stolen, that is not covered. If if your phone gets damaged by using a charger, even that is not covered. Next, any damage happened before you purchased your this plan. If you have a old phone and you purchase this plan after something happens, let's say your display is cracked and then you go to Apple store, that is not covered. Lastly, and but not the leastly, no repair of phone damaged in floods, fire, or through external causes. So, this is the brief of what I wanted to share with you all, and when I went for a new phone to their store, they said that the Apple 1000 is of 10,000 rupees. Please purchase that. So I asked them, give me your terms and conditions. So they said that there is no terms and conditions, and and then I asked some questions about. So that's nothing. But in short, this is a scam that Apple is doing for years, and now it comes with a new name, with a new jacket, that is Apple Care Plus. Do not fall for this. You will, they will try they will go to any length to not to give you, so that they don't give you any benefits. And it is for 1 year, like 10,000 you spend for an insurance that is also insured by Tata AIG. So AIG General Insurance Company, they are the insurer of Apple Care Plus. So I don't think that it gets any merit, or you spend your hard-earned money on this piece of crap. So peace out.